Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of How to Speak and Sound Like an American with your American teacher, host, and friend, Teacher Greg. Okay, let's get started. What is today's topic? All right, guys, today we are going to talk about phrasal verbs, prepositions. We're going to talk about whether you should use the word of or on when making a particular statement. So today's situation is Mario asks Susan, "Hey Susan, what time can you meet me for dinner?" How should she respond? Should she say, Mario, I'm not sure. It depends of the time, or should she said, I'm not sure. It depends on the time. And as you guys guessed it, it depends on the time. In this case, you use the preposition on. It depends on the time that she can meet him for dinner. So please don't make that mistake. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you need to repeat this 5 times. That way it gets stuck in your head. And when you respond, you will respond fluidly and with clarity. All right, guys, on that note, that's the end of today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends, please tell your family members. We are trying to get the membership up, and we want you to speak and sound like an American. And guys, on that note, have a fantastic day.